Dear friends, welcome to all. Sargam Academy English അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Now, the third context, it is rarely used. It's a bit older language, older English. Should can also be used to show, should, if, just if. It's a bit older version of English. See, we will study that later. Conditional sentences. There are 4 conditionals. We will study that later in detail. See, if you go there, this is the first condition. If you go there, you meet Jack. A very simple sentence. Such sentences are called conditionals. This is the first condition. We will study that later. If you go there, you meet Jack. Here, instead of if, we can use should you go there. Should you go there, you meet Jack. Now, if you go there, you will meet Jack. This is second condition. We will study that. Should you go there, you will meet Jack. Only if you go there. So this is a condition. If this happens, this will happen. So there, instead of if, we can use should. But generally, in conditionals, we use if, not should. I told you, it's an older version of the language. Another example, if he plays well, he wins. First condition. If he plays well, he wins. Only if he plays well. This is the condition. If this happens, this will happen. There, should he play well? Not plays. He wins. Should he play well? He wins. Should he play well? He will win. Should you work hard? If you work hard, you'll get a better berth. That means you'll get a better job, assignment. Only if you work hard. Should you work hard, you'll get a better assignment, a better job. I told you, this is rarely used. In conditionals, generally we use if. So this is the third context in which should is used. Now, we'll study could. So we studied would and then should. Now, could. Could can be used in different contexts. Could has different colors. So the first color is could can be used in tool number 5. For instance, tool 5. What is tool 5? See? I could meet Mr. Salim. I went to Chennai yesterday or Hyderabad yesterday to meet Salim. So my friend asked me, could you meet him? You went there yesterday. I knew that. Could you meet him? Yes, I could meet him. I went there and I could meet him. Right? We could catch the train. We were a bit late. We reached the station a bit late. Still, we could catch the train. We could make it. That means here, we could catch the train. Right? They could win the match. They could win the match. They played well and they won the match. They won the match. That is tool number 1, tool number 5. They won the match. Did they? Yes. They could win the match. Jaikan Karin. So, in tool number 5, we use could. See, Karinju, I could do it. We could do it. And he could secure a job abroad. He could secure a job abroad. He could secure a job in Singapore. He could do it. He tried for that and he could do it. He secured a job abroad. That's right. So when you put all these sentences in tool number 5, I could meet Salim. I went to Hyderabad or Chennai yesterday. I could meet him. I met Salim. That's it. We could catch the train even if we were late. Even if we were a bit late, we caught the train. We could catch the train. We caught the train. That's tool number 5. We could catch the train. So, they won the match. The match is over. They won the match. Did they? Yeah, they could. They could win the match. They could win the match. He could secure a job abroad. He tried to get a job abroad and he could secure a job. And she could get through the test. She could get through the test. She worked hard and she got through the test. That is tool number 5. She got through the test. Did she? Yeah, she could. She could get through the test. So, I could meet Salim. We could catch the train. They could win the match. He could secure a job abroad. And she could get through the test. So this is the first context in which could is used. The first color of could. Now, we will go through the level 2 exercise of could here. I mean, in this context, could. I could meet Salim. Positive. When you negate it, I couldn't meet Mr. Salim. We could catch the train. We couldn't catch the train. We just negate it. Right? Now, yes, no. When you put yes, no plus, could you meet Mr. Salim? You went to Hyderabad yesterday. Could you meet him? to meet him, to meet Salim. You went there, and could you meet him? Yes, I could meet him. No, I couldn't meet him. Right? Could you win the match? Yes, of course, we could win the match. We won the match. No, we couldn't win the match. Right? Could they do that? Yes, they could do that. No, they couldn't do that. Could they write the script? Yes, they could write the script. No, they couldn't write the script. Right? So, I could meet Salim, Mr. Salim. I couldn't meet him. She could do it. She couldn't do it. കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? He could perform well. He couldn't perform well. He could stand first in the class. He couldn't do that. He couldn't stand first in the class. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് കാണുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സർഗം അക്കാഡമിയുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.